Hi everyone, today in Integrated Math 2, we're going to go over Chapter 8, Lesson 3. Here are the objectives. Make sure you write them down in your notes. If both pairs of opposite sides of a quadrilateral are congruent, then the quadrilateral is a parallelogram. So just as we talked about in the previous lesson, the opposite sides, if they are congruent with each other, then we know it's a parallelogram. So you should notice it's very repetitious for this one. If both pairs of opposite angles of a quadrilateral are congruent, then the quadrilateral is a parallelogram. So as you can see, opposite angles that are congruent, we now know we can say that is a parallelogram. If the diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other, so that means when they cross. So you can see they cross here. Then the quadrilateral is a parallelogram. So the two diagonals cross because this segment and this segment cross. Because of that, we know it is a parallelogram. If one pair of opposite sides of a quadrilateral is both parallel and congruent, then the quadrilateral is a parallelogram. So we know this side and this side are the same, and we also know that they are parallel. Because of that, they are a parallelogram. So, to prove that a quadrilateral is a parallelogram, we must show that both pairs of opposite sides are parallel, which is by definition, show that both pairs of opposite sides are congruent, show that both pairs of opposite angles are congruent, and show that the diagonals bisect each other, and show that the pair of opposite sides is both parallel and congruent. And there we go.